Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename or delete a property group in Hubspot. Whether you're new to Hubspot or just looking to tidy up your management system, I'll guide you through these steps to make the process smooth and efficient. First, open your web browser and go to Hubspot's homepage. If you're not sure of the URL, just type in hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, click the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, navigate to Settings by clicking the Settings icon, usually in the upper right section of your dashboard. Inside Settings, you'll see a variety of options to personalize and organize your workspace. Today, we're focusing on Properties, so look for the Properties option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now that you're in the Properties menu, locate the property group you want to rename or delete. Property groups help organize your property settings, making it easier to manage the data fields relevant to your business. Once you've found the group, click Edit Property, usually next to the property name or in a drop-down menu. If you want to rename the property group, click on the property label and type in a new name. Choose a name that clearly describes the function or data type to make future management easier. If you want to delete the property group, most interfaces will show a delete option in edit mode. Proceed with caution here, as deletion may remove associated data points or configurations. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save. This ensures your modifications are applied and stored in Hubspot. And that's it. Renaming or deleting a property group in Hubspot is simple, and with practice, it becomes second nature. This helps keep your Hubspot workspace organized and efficient. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide made the process clearer. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to get the most out of Hubspot. Happy HubSpotsing.